Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and as usual I'm gonna show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Let's watch.
You want to travel with him, and you want to travel blind, and the thing, maybe you trust it, for she's touched your perfect body with her mind.
Hello again, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and today I want to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Today I'm in Ortakoy district. A wonderful place to see. Ortakoy Square is a famous and one of the most tourist area in the Beşiktaş district. The excellent location makes it a very popular and lively place full of young people and tourists. Besides people watching, other favorite activities include drinking tea or coffee at the various cafes and restaurants with a view of the Bosphorus. While Istanbul has no shortage of historic mosques, the Ortakoy Mosque is among the most beautiful. Situated directly before the Bosphorus, the Ortakoy Mosque has an absolutely gorgeous view. This is why the Ortakoy Mosque sunset and sunrise provide its visitors with the most photogenic opportunities imaginable. Because of the mosque's unique location, the Ortakoy Mosque and Bosphorus Bridge are very close. In my opinion, triest is the top 3 of the most beautiful places in Istanbul. The view over the Bosphorus is truly magical. You can see a lot of people who came here to take pictures. You cannot get here with the tram or metro. I took the tram to the last stop, Kabataş, and then took the bus. The Istanbul card works on trams, bus, and metros.
Travel with him, and you want to travel blind, and the thing, maybe you trust it, for she's touched your perfect body with her mind. Now Susan takes your hand, and she leads you to the river. She's wearing rags and feathers from salvation and the captain. And the sun goes down like honey on Our Lady of the Tulip. Among the garbage and the flowers, there are roses singing. There are children in the morning, they're leaning out for love, and they need that faith forever. While Suzanne holds the mirror. And you want to travel with her, and you want to travel blind. I know you can trust her, for she's touched your perfect